everybody, and welcome to my isolation station, where today I'm going to be making another fabulous at-home cocktail for you to enjoy. Today we are using gin. We've picked up Mill Gin. Now the reason we picked up Mill Gin is because my girlfriend just really liked the picture. It's a new one to our local liquor store as well, so keen to try it. My first drink that I'll be making today is the Southside. This drink is very light and juicy and zesty, so let's get into it. Alrighty, so I'm getting my shaker and I'm gonna pop a glass of ice in there, fill that one up. This one takes 60 ml of gin, so using my jigger, I'm just gonna get the 30 ml side and 2 of those. Now my recipe calls for 30 mils of lime juice. I had a look online and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think one whole lime is probably going to be 30 mils of lime juice. So, yeah, I'm not even going to worry about doing it in that. I'm just going to do it. I actually think that one of them will be 30 mils. Right, probably should have got a juicer, but I'm in my isolation station right now, so nobody's judging me. And just a couple of mint leaves in there, so now this is melting away inside of there, so I'll hurry up. I'll try and cover it. Cool. And take it up. Alright, I gotta get the strainer. Give me 1 second.
One eternity later.
Back. Got a tea strainer. I'm gonna pour this one out. Now, I'm pretty sure this is what happens when you don't shake it enough. One person gets one drink stronger, the other person will get the weaker one. Whoever's having a rougher day. Alright, I'll just transfer that. And I'm just gonna garnish this. May not look $1 million, but goddamn, after drinking this, I'm gonna feel it.